How to loop YouTube videos on mobile and loop any video. If you want to loop a YouTube video on mobile to play it constantly without it playing the other video or without it ending, all you have to do is simply open the YouTube application and you will see this type of interface. Now first, I would just recommend that you switch to your normal account over here. So if you're already on your normal account, that's perfectly fine. That's just for me. Just open up a certain video that you want to loop. Right, so let's say you want to play this constantly even after it ends. You switch to the front, just tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon of the video, go to additional settings, then turn on loop video. So what this does is that even if this video has reached its end right here, so with this or whichever video it is has reached its end, it will automatically loop to the very initial part of the video. So just watch here, and just like that, it will automatically loop itself to the next part. Right here you can tap in additional settings, loop video, then you can just go there and it will automatically loop itself to the first part of the video. So this way you'll be able to, as you can see, loop any video. Hope this video was really helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.